Put some motor mounts?
Motor mounts. They are tame coilovers.
Well, I guess Greg was right.
So if you're wrong, we're gonna put you on blast. Should be pretty straightforward, I guess. Unbelievable.
Let's do a quick prayer.
Ah! Oh.
I edit that out. What am I doing wrong now? A little bit of skin.
All right, we're back at the lounge today. Got Yury here. What were we doing today?
Well, Greg's missing.
Are we missing him though?
He's missing. We're gonna try to put some motor mounts.
Motor mounts. You said try.
Try, yes.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna.
Well, I'm not an RX-8 guy. Or RX-7 guy. I own RX-7s, but not, definitely not own an RX-8. So
Yeah.
that and do some coilovers.
Oh yeah. Coilers from my 8.
Yes.
We're gonna put them. They're not BCs. They are tame coilovers.
Yes.
Donated to the club car. So we're gonna try to put them on. We did score some wheels, so a little bit of a sneak peek reveal. We did get some weds. Yeah, they should be nice and sticky for us. So I think that'll be cool. So I guess we'll just get started and see what happens. Is it already unbolted?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Recording?
This thing's super light. You don't even need my help.
What the hell?
Where you gonna put it?
Look at
Oh,
this.
wait, what's that? What's that?
Oh man. We keep calling YouTube and telling them, hey, take this back, but they said we earned it.
Everything's coming off pretty easily so far.
I mean, all we're using is a
This
gear
one,
wrench.
whose car was this?
Another buddy of ours, what? Forgetting his name. Greg knows his name.
He's a buddy, but we don't know his name.
Tony took possession of it.
Oh, so Tony did have this car in his possession.
Yes.
That would explain everything being loose, huh?
Yes.
Let's see if we find anything stripped. No offense, Tony, but you know what you did.
Well, I guess Greg was right. I mean,
Oh, don't say that, I'm recording.
since we're already here, motor mount is literally right there.
Oh, I guess we'll do it then. Son of a... Fine, Greg. This old stock motor mount here, we're gonna replace those. These guys here
There you go.
should be nice and firm.
Should be good enough, maybe?
Alright,
Maybe?
get that up, got it. And Greg said it doesn't matter which side, I think. They are.
He said, doesn't matter?
Yeah, that's what he said. They're both the mounts are the same.
Or one. Different years, but, oh no, they're gonna go like this.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter.
That looks about right. Greg, does that look about right to you? Oh, I didn't hear from him, so we're gonna do it.
Yeah. Man, hopefully this doesn't give us any trouble. But we'll just hand tie it the way we found it. And then when Greg comes, he can tighten it up.
Oh, wait a minute. Take a look on this side, dude.
Ah, so this one is the one
Yeah.
because of this.
Yep. I think Greg lied to us, dude.
Greg sending it us for a favor.
Yep. He's probably like, see these guys, see if they can figure that shit out. Hey, did we invite any of the other guys to come and help us today? I think we did, didn't we?
We're always inviting people.
Yeah.
Everybody's welcome.
We had no RSVPs.
But everybody's busy.
Are they? Are they really busy? Busy doing nothing?
They're busy. I should be busy too, but we'll see what the wife says.
We're the irresponsible ones, depending on how you look at it.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know if we need all those spacers.
Should we phone a friend or?
Maybe phone a friend.
All right, let's phone a friend.
Oh! Look at that.
I didn't get my hair and makeup ready.
Is that why you couldn't come over here? Because you're just sitting on your couch doing nothing, watching YouTube? I hope you better be watching Rotary Lounge. These motor mounts, I don't think they're side specific, it seems like, because the tabs are different, which is fine, not a big deal. But one had a nut spacer and one didn't have a nut spacer. So we're wondering, do we need the nut spacer? And if we do, does that go on top or below the motor bracket?
Can you show me?
No.
So we found this one like this. So, and we found this other one with this.
You can take that big spacer out. That was actually to space it up to clear
The turbo.
the turbo.
All right, remember you're on camera, so if you're wrong, we're gonna put you on blast. This is being recorded.
I'm rarely ever wrong unless Nancy says I'm wrong. You guys done yet?
Well, we would be if we get off the phone with you,
Yes.
but we had to phone a friend.
All right, see you guys.
There you
Yeah.
go. Got that motor mount in.
Like it.
Oh yeah. Don't. Look, you're.
On this number go higher.
Yeah, we'd like to add a couple zeros to that. But we're happy for 100. Alrighty.
And that's it.
Okay.
We're good.
We still gotta put the coilovers on the side, alright?
You all right?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the hospital real quick. I got a couple nuts on here first.
Yeah.
Cool. Did we take the sway end link off?
No. No, we didn't. But somebody did, and they didn't even put it back on because we don't even have a.
Nothing. No
The
hardware, nothing, huh?
The nut's not here.
Alrighty. Add that to the list of things. We'll leave that for Greg. Greg can deal with that.
Yeah. Blame it on Tony.
Yeah, absolutely. Front's done. Now we're gonna go do the back. Should be pretty straightforward, I guess. Like F1 pit crew style right there, dude. All right, I gotta get in there.
No, the whole thing comes down.
Yeah, the whole thing does come down, yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. But it holds here.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's loose. What the hell?
Tony.
This shit's loose up here, dude. Who did this? Unbelievable. What the heck?
So,
How'd that happen?
Our nut is all chingered up.
Sheesh.
So if we take it off, we have to replace it.
Not easy enough. I mean, we could make a note of that to just replace that. I mean, that's gonna have to get replaced anyway, right? Well, we do have sway bars too for this car, so we have to
Oh, is that
replace
gonna come off?
Yeah.
Okay.
We might need to phone a friend to tell him
well-
what the situation is.
We'll try it like this, and
All right, let's try
if
it.
we're
I mean,
successful, we're badasses.
I won't go that far yet, but I'll take the win if we can get it.
You should ask Greg about this. I think he has a pretty.
Are you saying Griggs is bigger?
No. Okay. No.
Bigger is better,
Yeah. Well,
supposedly.
ask the other guy.
Oh, chismosos or what?
No. He's got a pretty crazy story about this one. So next.
About
when-
pry bars?
About this pry bar.
This particular pry bar?
This
All
pry
right.
bar. Next time you see him, ask him.
Oh, okay.
I didn't say anything.
You didn't? No, absolutely not. I didn't hear you say anything. Oh, come on. You want to just try to zap it and see if it'll do something?
Yeah.
Dear God, make this work, please.
Let's do a quick prayer.
Okay. It's still spinning. Okay, let me see if I can get closer.
Well, I
to
guess it wasn't a good idea to spray it, huh?
it. All right, let's try that. There we go. Yahtzee. Now getting it back on, we'll make that Greg's problem. Hello.
Oh.
Can you say hi to YouTube? That was too easy.
Came off?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, look at that. Maneuver it to get it out.
Oh, we're almost there, dude. Come on.
Even managed to get it.
All right, there we
There
go.
we go.
Okay. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, well, it's different. This definitely wasn't Tony.
My goodness.
All right. Oh, that one pinched my finger. Oh boy.
Dude, seriously, down to go. Oh,
Careful, careful right here.
oh,
Kind of gotta push that forward. And
Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right.
edit that out. Let me put
Finally done on this side. Now the last corner. Let's see if this one will be as much of a pain in the ass.
need to take this fella out.
Alright. Where am I?
Yeah, probably. No.
Ooh. Am I still on it?
Yeah, you still on it?
There's a lot of tension on that.
Yeah, they're. All right. I think it might come off now.
Okay.
Let's pull it out.
Alright.
What am I doing wrong now? Cool. You can go now.
Alright, cool. Sweet.
Aye.
Oh, shit. Oh, ow, ouch. I felt
see.
that for you, man.
Safety first. I don't know if you can see it, but a little bit of skin.
Ooh, you.
Yeah.
Aren't you wearing your gloves? You running low?
Safety first.
We'll get this thing on the ground soon. Get this thing fired up. Do the battery tie down and wrap the battery to the back. I think we'll be looking pretty good here.
We are good. Greg, you missed out.
That wasn't too bad. Although we do have an injury here. Let's see.
A little bit of skin. Nothing that a little dirt won't fix.
Alrighty. Alright, so we'll be on to our next step soon. So
Once again, like and subscribe. Write down a lot of comments.
yes, comments. Tell us what we're doing wrong.
Yeah.
Everybody likes telling us what we're doing wrong.
In fact, if you can spell out your comments in each letter, just it'd be great. You know?
Yeah, the more
Right on.
comments, the better.
Yes.